Hello friends, you all are welcome again on this channel. I have a tutorial for you again today. This will improve your way of adding text. So now let's start without wasting time. So first watch the preview.
It says stay down. It says stay down.
Let's start. Now you first write all the text. Do it like I am doing. Look carefully. Now export it and write all the text you want. Now add the video and add all the exported videos here. Now watch carefully and do as I do. Now carefully adjust the text. Now I am going to speed up the video. Now add all the text as shown. Okay, so now our work is done. Now export this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Whoever watched my video till the last, thank you to him. If you find any mistake, please let me know, and I will correct it. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.